Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the meal planner template, which you can purchase on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template helps you plan your weekly meals, organize your grocery list, and track your nutrition, making meal planning simple and stress-free. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify the main categories on which the drop-down lists are based. The second step shows how to fill out the recipe cards. This allows you to keep all recipe details in one place and make meal planning faster and more organized. Next, it shows how to plan a weekly meal schedule. The next step shows how to fill out and analyze the inventory table. Next, it shows how to analyze a shopping list. Then it shows how to fill out the calorie tracker to track your daily calorie intake. The final step shows how to fill out and analyze the weight tracker. Go to the settings sheet. In the category block, specify the list of categories that will be used in the meal planner. For example, dessert, drinks, salad, soup, seafood, bakery, or any other categories that fit your meal plan. In the ingredient block, list all the ingredients you plan to use in your meal planner. Examples: potatoes, onions, garlic, tomatoes, carrots, milk, sugar, eggs, cooking oil. You can also add any other ingredients you use regularly. In the unit block, specify the unit of measurement for each ingredient. Examples: kilograms, pounds, grams, bottle, or pack. Use the unit that best fits how you buy or store each ingredient. In the grocery category block, assign each ingredient to a category for easier grocery planning. Examples: fresh vegetables, meat and seafood, dairy and eggs, bakery, or others. You can also create any additional categories that fit your meal plan. You can specify more 900 categories in each block. Go to the recipe cards sheet. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. On this sheet, you need to provide information about the recipes. Specify the dish name. Select the list of ingredients. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified in the settings sheet. Enter the quantity and unit. Select grocery category. This category is important for creating a shopping list. In the directions column, write down the steps for preparing the dish. If necessary, a picture of the dish can be added in the notes column. Next, enter the preparation and cooking time. Enter total calories and serving. Calories per serving data is calculated automatically. If necessary, a link can be provided. Let's enter a few more recipe examples. You can enter 30 dishes to this sheet. Go to the meal planner sheet. On this sheet, you can write down your weekly meal plan. Select the start day of the week. The dates fill in automatically for each day. In the daily blocks, select dishes by meal. Servings data is automatically populated based on the recipe details. If you have more food than needed, label it as leftover. Let's enter more information. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. The data in the ingredient list blocks is filled in automatically based on the selected dishes and information from the recipes. These tables provide a detailed list of ingredients and quantities. Go to the inventory sheet. The data in the automatic list table is filled in automatically based on the information specified in the meal planner sheet. If you have any ingredients, they should be marked in the available column. To add an ingredient to your shopping list, check the box in the Need to Buy column. If you need to include any ingredients in your shopping list, specify them in the manual list table. Select the ingredient. Select the grocery category. Enter the unit and specify the quantity. Next, go to the shopping list. The data on this sheet is generated automatically based on the information specified on the inventory sheet. The table provides a detailed list of ingredients by category and quantity for purchase. Purchased ingredients can be marked as checked. For convenience, you can also print this list. Go to the Calorie Tracker sheet. On this sheet, you can specify the calories for your planned meals for the week. In the Target Calorie section, you need to specify your daily calorie goal. The table shows the day's menu automatically generated from the meal planner sheet. Enter data in the calorie, fat, protein, carbs, and fiber columns. Cells can be left blank for data that is not tracked. If the dish was not eaten, check the box in the uneaten column. The calories for that dish will not be counted. Let's enter more data. The totals are calculated automatically. The chart compares target and actual values for fat, protein, carbs, and fiber, offering insights into dietary balance and supporting informed meal planning. Go to the Weight Tracker sheet. This sheet allows monitoring of weekly weight measurements. Select the start date of the week. Enter the names. You can enter up to 11 people. Enter the current height and weight. The indicator showing body mass index is calculated automatically. Enter the daily weight data. The chart shows daily weight, making it easy to track trends and monitor progress. To create additional weeks for weight tracking, simply duplicate the Weight Tracker sheet. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try the template by filling in your own meals and grocery data. It demonstrates how easy it is to plan meals and stay organized. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.